Good day everyone. In this video, we will discuss carbon dioxide or CO2 fire extinguishers. We will explain its function, where it is commonly found on board ship, and the proper way to use it using the PAS method. This topic is important because correct knowledge of fire extinguishers helps prevent accidents and protects lives and equipment on board.
The CO2 fire extinguisher functions. A CO2 fire extinguisher is mainly used for electric fires and flammable fires. Its key functions are: 1. Smothers the fire. CO2 displaces oxygen around the fire, since fire needs oxygen to keep burning. Removing oxygen helps put the fire out. 2. Cools the fire slightly. When CO2 is released, it comes out very cold, while it helps reduce heat or slow down combustion. 3. Safe for electrical component. CO2 fire extinguisher is non-conductible, so it can be used on live electrical equipment like computers, sensors, and circuit breakers. 4. It leaves no residue. Unlike dry chemical extinguishers, CO2 does not leave powder or foam, so it won't damage the sensitive equipment or require cleanup. 5. Weak fire knockdown. It works fast on small contained fires, especially in enclosed space. And the common uses of CO2 fire extinguishers are electrical funnels and appliances, computer room or server rooms, flammable liquids like gasoline, oil, paint, and solvents.
Portable fire extinguishers, CO2, types of fire it can control. Class B, flammable liquids fire such as fuel oil, diesel, gasoline, paint, varnish, and solvents. Extinguishers are effective because they remove oxygen from the fire and help stop the chemical reaction of burning liquids without spreading the fuel. Class C, electrical fires involving energized electrical equipment like switchboards, motors, generators, control panels, wiring, and electronic devices. Is non-conductive and leaves no residue, making it safe for use on live electrical components. CO2 extinguishers are especially useful in situations where water or foam cannot be used, because those agents may conduct electricity or damage sensitive equipment. Location on board were found. On board a ship, portable CO2 fire extinguishers are usually located near areas where is a high risk of electrical and flammable liquid fires. This includes electrical switchboards, control rooms, engine rooms, machinery spaces, generator rooms, and purifier rooms. They are also commonly placed near navigation and communication equipment such as the bridge console and radio room to protect sensitive electronics. In addition, they may be positioned along access roads and near entrances, high-risk components, so they can be reached quickly during an emergency. Their placement follows the ship's life control safety plans to ensure fast and safe responses.
A portable fire extinguisher is only meant for small early stage fires. It should not be used if the fire is already large, spreading fast, or producing heavy smoke, because this means the fire is already dangerous and difficult to control. In these conditions, heat and toxic smoke can quickly overcome a person. If the fire is growing or changing rapidly, the safer action is to leave the area and call the fire service. It should also not be used if the fire is blocking the exit route. A person must always have a clear way to escape while using an extinguisher. If the fire is between the operator and the exit, there is a risk of being trapped. Fire involving explosions, gas cylinders, or pressurized containers are also too dangerous for portable extinguishers and should be handled only by trained firefighters. Portable extinguishers should not be used by someone who is not trained or does not know how to operate them properly. Using the wrong type such as water on, electrical or flammable liquid, fires can make the fire worse and cause injury. If there is any doubt about safety, training, or extinguisher type, evacuation is always the safest choice.
To use portable fire extinguisher, stay calm and act quickly. Make sure that the fire is small and you have a clear exit behind you. Stand safe distance away from the fire. Remember the word pass to guide you. Pull the pin to break the seal. Aim the nozzle at the base of the fire, not the flames. Squeeze the handle slowly and evenly. Sweep the nozzle from side to side. Continue sweeping until the fire is completely out. If the fire does not go out, evacuate immediately and call for help.
Safety precaution in using CO2 portable fire extinguisher. When using a CO2 portable fire extinguisher on board a ship, proper safety precaution must always be followed. This extinguisher is used only for Class B and Class C fires, such as flammable liquid fires and energized electrical equipment, especially near switchboards, control panels, and machinery spaces. Before discharging, check the area and make sure there is enough ventilation, because CO2 displaces oxygen and can be hazardous in enclosed or confined ship spaces. Warn nearby crew if possible. Do not hold the discharge horn because it becomes extremely cold and can cause frostbite. Hold only the handle and insulated grip. Approach carefully, maintain a safe distance, aim at the base of the fire, and use short control burst. Always watch for reignition since CO2 does not provide cooling after use. Report immediately and ensure the extinguisher is sent for recharge and inspection.
Cylinders contain liquid CO2 under high 57 bar or low pressure 18 to 22 bar refrigerated to negative 22 degrees Celsius. Secured against movement. Kept below 46 degrees Celsius and fitted with safety valves for controlled release into engine rooms or holds per SONAS rules. Importance of carbon dioxide fire extinguisher. Proper vessel storage ensures rapid, safe deployment for total flooding systems, prevents accidental leaks or explosions, complies with maritime safety regulations, and protects crew or ship by minimizing fire risks in critical areas without compromising stability.